Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a coding bootcamp study plan in Notion, your full 2025 guide. First off, let's create a new page in Notion and call it Coding Bootcamp Study Plan. This is our starting point, our canvas if you will, and it's crucial because this is where we'll keep all our study materials, schedules, and progress tracking. Now that we've done that, let's add a table. Click on the plus. Select the table option and name it Study Schedule. The reason we use a table is to get a clear overview of our study sessions, deadlines, and key milestones. Next up, we'll add columns with headers such as week, topic, resources, progress, and notes. This helps us because it breaks down our large goal, mastering coding, into manageable, trackable steps. Plus, it's a great way to keep all your resources in one place and monitor your progress. Now, let's populate the table with your chosen curriculum. Fill in the week and topic sections based on what you'll be studying each week and add relevant resources under Resources. This step is important because it ensures a structured approach to your learning journey. Once that's done, create another table, call it Daily Tasks. Here, add columns like Date, Task, Time Spent, and Done. Populate this daily to track your study hours and completed tasks. This helps maintain consistency, which is key when learning something as complex as coding. Now you might wonder, why Notion? Let me explain why this matters. Notion's versatility allows you to create a personalized study plan that suits your learning style. It's a one-stop solution to plan, execute, and track your coding bootcamp journey. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating your coding bootcamp study plan in Notion. Remember, a well-structured study plan is your roadmap to mastering coding. Use it, adjust it, refine it, but most importantly, stick to it. Happy coding!